much colder than I thought, and I brought summer clothes. I got off the plane and then met Hanako and Gloria at the airport, went home, and then we just like caught up until 2 a.m. or something, and then I went to sleep around 3, I think, and I woke up around 6, so I didn't sleep so much, and it's 8:45 now and I'm getting stuff done. I'm still working on the subtitles, but I'm almost done. Cereal! So my friend Hanako and Charmaine live together and they're letting me crash at their place temporarily, and Charmaine's actually in South Africa right now for 2 weeks, so I'll be in her room.
And it's really nice.
But today I think I'll hang out with Gloria, and it's actually her last day tomorrow because she's only visiting for a month and a half, but she's my friend Hanako's little sister. But yeah, first day in London and my suitcases have already kind of exploded. My special skill is that I can make a room messy in 10 seconds. It didn't hit me for a really long time, but now that I'm like seeing the view and I'm actually in London, I'm like, whoa, I'm gonna be here for the next year.
Gloria! This is fun. I know, yeah. I like how they like look like drinks.
I know. Like, I would definitely drink this.
Yeah, it's very gentle. Yeah, I use a lot of their skin products. Coconut milk, vegan shampoo, vegan conditioner.
Lots of vegan in it.
Yes. And Gloria.
Hi.
I know, she told me, because when I phoned the store,
Last time I got cod.
Fish and chips. Yum!
Yum.
welcome to Chinatown. You know, I just realized today it was Princess Diana. I thought it was my mom.
Our final destination.
Yep.
Using it for plant pots.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, you can still find a way to reuse the cups.
Oh, they're
And
so
they're really
cute.
pretty.
Yeah. It's really hot, right?
It's so hot. It was so hot, and I was like holding my tears in. I was like, oh, I burned my tongue. It really tastes authentic. Yeah.
Yum.
Ah, it feels weird drinking with a clay cup.
Trying masala chai. Cheers. Cheers. And it looks super hot. Oh, Mikito told me I was just eating like cold food and I was still blowing my food. I'm like, that's embarrassing. She was like, Meg, is that food like hot? And I'm like, no. And I'm like still blowing on it. It's good. I had like the littlest sip, but it's really good.
Like
Masala chai.
oh, it's easier at Fridays.
We have to keep it here. Oh, it's close?
It's super close.
Oh. Yay! What I got at the supermarket. Hummus. Did you know hummus was spelled like this? It's like hummus.
Oh yeah.
Oat milk. Coconut water. Frosted wheat. Muesli. British raspberries. Are these British blueberries? No. They're
British
ice. Oh,
blueberries.
it just says blueberries. Pita bread. This is what I was most excited to try. Cauliflower popcorn. And because it's 345, mini hot dog rolls and mini cheese pizzas and what is this one? Ribena. Ribena that Gloria recommended me. That I guess you're supposed to have with water. Oh, I forgot about this. And a big Greek yogurt. Nice. Not really supermarket related, but I also got mouthwash. And I think I still have stuff that I bought. Oh, Hanako, you will know what's my favorite skin brand?
Avena.
Aveeno.
Close.
Yeah. But I love my Aveeno.
Every time I see it, I think of you.
I know. I almost bought like Aveeno everything today, but I held back. But don't worry, I still got Aveeno body wash.
I thought so.
And
I'm gonna try one pump.
yeah, you should.
See if I work.
And I actually brought this from Japan, but I also have Aveeno sunscreen.
Damn.
Sunscreen, coconut milk, vegan conditioner, and last but not least, coconut milk, vegan shampoo. And that is all my shopping for today. And Hanako.
Ooh, scary.
You know, I have another picture of you like holding a knife.
Oh my
I
god.
could probably find it right now.
Oh yeah. It's very recent actually.
Yeah, it's March.
And doesn't my face look so
Look,
scary?
this is your sister holding a knife.
Oh my god.
How much water and how much milk? Oh, ratio.
Ravina! Okay, so I put water inside, even though I have ice inside.
How much is the ratio? It said?
Mmm. It's good.
That was a long pause.
I'm just like trying to figure out what it tastes
What
like.
it tastes like? Yeah. It's like sweet. Kind of like grape juice.
It's yummy.
It's yummy, yeah. Actually, I think I need more Ribena. Because I kind of want to taste the Ribena, not like watery.
Hannes.
So I
It's
guess
pretty good.
You can just send her.
Yum.